Did y'all see that? He was on his phone. You're supposed to be paying attention to the steel rails. That's kind of stupid. Up, up. Got some wiggling. I don't like the looks of that. Oh yeah. Well, who wants to see some rocks get chumped? Ugh. Take this rock. Nope. Nope. Duh, I got him in. Dang nabbit. Dang it. There we go. Real close. Up. Knuckler coupler's wide open on the back of that. Bye bye, Mr. Terrain. I'll see you at 12 o'clock. Oh, look. Look what's coming down the rail line, boys. It's a truck on the rails. What are you doing? You trying to follow the train, boy? Look at that dude. Look at that dude. What in the world? I haven't seen one of these things in a while follow a train. I've never seen one follow a train, actually. Listen to that noise that makes on them steel rails. Look at that. Watch him as he goes. That's hilarious, and it's so adorable too. Look at it. Oh, it's so cute, ain't it? It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. A little maintenance truck. Alright, anyway guys, I've got a mow. Stay tuned if you like watching railroading fans. You can follow me on Facebook, or you can follow me on YouTube. My channel name is McCain Queen, or look for Norfolk Southern channel. But yes, you can follow me on both of them two things. I'm probably going to be starting a group on Facebook for live rail fannings in Canton. I don't know when, but I probably will. Anyways, I'll see y'all at 12 o'clock. Somewhere around in there, hopefully. But, yep. Y'all have a nice day. It's kind of hot out here, so y'all stay cool. Alright? See y'all later.